Today in this video we are going to explain the IP address of a device and how it helps you to communicate with other devices. Hardware devices on a network are identified by their IP addresses. The term IP stands for Internet Protocol. The addresses enable these devices to communicate with one another through a local network or the Internet. Each address is made up of a series of digits that are separated by periods. It looks like this. Your device will have two IP addresses if it is linked to both your local network and the Internet. Locally, you'll have a private IP address, and on the Internet, you'll have a public IP address. Your PC or device is connected to your personal home network using a private IP address. Your device's network router generally assigns this IP address. You can check your private IP address by typing up config on the Windows command prompt. For Mac users, using the terminal application, type the command of config. To connect your home or business network to the Internet, you'll need your public IP address. Your Internet service provider known as ISP will provide you with this address. There are so many websites and online tools to check your public IP address. Let's see the difference between dynamic and static IP addresses. The majority of Internet users have a dynamic IP address that changes on a regular basis. This is more convenient for Internet service providers who must deal with clients joining and leaving the service, as well as address changes. The majority of websites use a fixed IP address that does not change. This is essential because your website's IP address is used by the DNS system when someone visits your site. For a more detailed article, visit our site. Check the description of the video for the link.